Let's create. Galbi-Jjim. This is Korean style short beef ribs. And I have several ingredients. Go to the link in the description where I'm going to list them, okay? But the important thing is I have the short ribs here, about 2.5 pounds. And I have them in water, cold water, outside the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. What it does is clean the blood out. And I typically don't do this for regular American or Hispanic or even European food. But Korean, for this particular type of dish, Korean dish, they clean those ribs, they get the blood out. Plus, having it 30 minutes also get things to room temperature. Transfer the ribs to a pot, add some water, and heat them up for about 20 minutes. Put it 20. You can do for 30 too. And make sure you have it at medium high, okay? What you're doing here is further cleaning the impurities, that lingering fat, that stick around the beef. That's all you're doing, okay? 20 minutes. That's simple. 20 minutes later, turn this off, take all the water out, okay? So now we're going to mix some things together. I have here half a cup of soy sauce. Half a cup. 3/4 cup of mirin. And I'm going to put this in the link, by the way, in the description. No, in the description, I'm going to put the ingredients. I have some sesame oil. That's about a couple teaspoons, if that. Garlic, about 4 or 5 teeth. Cut this baby nicely. I have some ginger, fresh ginger. Let me add this baby here, right? Let me add it here. I have some Asian pear. This is how they look, the Asian pear. I mince half of it. Of one, I mince it. And as I have about 1/4 cup of sugar replacement. And what I'm going to do is you're going to mix this stuff very well, okay? Just mix it nicely. So I'm going to put this is a medium high for now. You know what? I'm going to reduce it to medium. Well, a couple of notches above medium. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to add this mix. This stuff is not swimming or anything like that, by the way. See? And what I'm going to do, I'm going to cook this for about 30 minutes, okay? 30 minutes. Let me cover her up. Reduce the heat. Let's put the heat a couple notches below medium. I don't want this to go too crazy. 30 minutes later. Ooh, that looks nice. Let me reduce the heat more. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the carrots, radish, chestnuts, and the other optional ingredients. Do not add the mushroom yet, and do not add this yet. So what you're going to do, you're going to cook this for about 20 minutes. Okay? 10 minutes in, just add the mushroom. So the last 10 minutes is going to be with the mushroom. So I said when I add those, when I added the carrots and things like that, I said 20 minutes. However, 10 minutes into it, halfway, just add the mushrooms and let this go for the last 10 minutes, okay? And now, we're just going to add the green onions. And the stuff is ready. See how caramelized and beautiful? And you're going to eat this with rice.